We're chopping the building in half. Quit overachieving. You know I have steel toe on?
Let's not find out.
Go blow yourself off, you're nasty.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm giggling. I just love Jeff Goldblum.
Just do anything. It's a sun hoodie kind of day. It's 90, I think 7 or 8 today. It's ridiculously hot. Yesterday, we got all of our purlins, ran across. Today, we are going to put our wind ties in. So those are gonna be some 2x6s that run across the bottom cord of our trusses. So we'll have 2 rows of those. That kind of helps with some rigidity. And then we're gonna throw up our fascia today.
I need you to tell me if I did it right.
I don't know, did you cut a 412 on it?
Yeah.
You cut a 612. You cut a 612. That is a 412. That's a 412.
Oh, okay.
You did it on the wrong side?
I did it on the wrong side.
Yeah. What the? A butterfinger's going on over here. The jibata. I can't do this left-handed. Yes, I can. Okay. Up. Right there. We are sheathing today. We got our orange zip boards. This is the 5/8 zip board. Nice and thick, very strong, lovely to walk on when you're 20 feet up in the air. Stay. The orange layer on here is a WRB barrier, so it's actually slapped, it's painted on. It is going to resist water and air and make everything water and air tight. We are going to finish this side. They're putting in the last board right now for this side. Then we're gonna rock over to the other side, put that in.
Isn't there a giant piece of wood in the way?
Go around that.
Okay. When I say, do you want me to pull it out? You should go, no, just go around it. That'd be good communication, I think.
I'm trying to teach you
Thank you for letting me
how to
figure
be,
it out.
you know, grown up.
Thank you for don't belittle me. Just thank you for letting me figure it out. Are you in a good way? Oh.
And then we got to fill in some gaps and holes and whatnot, and then we'll start wrapping the side walls. Once we get all that done, this building will be locked in place, be super strong, and not go anywhere.
Sound like a seagull there.
We are chopping this building in half. It's too tall. Our client said, I think it's a little too tall for me. Which, when you look at it, if it was out here by itself, it'd be okay, right? but we're next to our modular home. Our modular home is 1 story. Our modular home's only 10-ish feet off the ground, and this is a 20-foot building, so we're twice the size of our modular home. Now, we did that because it was gonna have a second floor. That was gonna be the rec room for all the grandkids and whatnot, but it feels too tall. I agree with them. Now that we've got it all together and we're starting to put the skin on it, it's like, whoa, it's a little big. So we are going to zip it off at the 10-foot mark. And it's coming loose. So that's gonna be a process because you can't just come up and start cutting it at the post at 10 feet and then just let that thing fall off. No, I'm not gonna go order a crane to chop it off and then pick it up and move it to the side because there's a lot of material up there that I can reuse. We're literally taking the top off and moving it to the side. So we're gonna keep the garage where it's at and then move the rec building to the side of the garage. So all the trusses, I'll be able to reuse those because what we're gonna do, this is a 26 by 26 building. So my trusses, I'll just rotate them. So instead of a pitch where we're going like this, now we're gonna go like this. We've gotta dismantle it 1 by 1 from the top down because that's the safest way to do it. All right, all right, all right.
Right. Come here.
Please. You're not the boss. You don't get to say that.
May he please come here, please?
Thank you.
I'm just creating conflict.
Some sort of straight edge and run a Sharpie line all the way across this, connecting those 2 points. This is our back line off of the house. So we're gonna put our posts on this line. We'll build the deck into this house, so that way there's just obviously not a gap here. This is where we're gonna put our posts. So once we get the back line established, all right, do it again. Hey, further out. So 117-inch rise. Then we can find the 2 points that we want for our outside post, post to post. Then we can pull our diagonals. Then we can put some screws in the ground, run some string line, and then we'll know where to put the other ones. So we know that's where our posts are gonna go. Now, because we have a soffit sticking out, we don't wanna put our posts underneath the soffit because I need to build off the top of it. I want my deck to be 24 feet this way and 11 feet this way. But we need to find our corner. So we need to find out where the post out there goes, so then we can run a line this way. And 25, 10, and 7, 8. Come on! Got it.
I'm not trying to hit the house, dude.
It's a little different here now, right? We have literally chopped this building in half. So we came up 10 feet. So once we get inside the building, you'll see it. Who the heck is calling me? Sorry about that. I actually needed to take that phone call. So back to what I was saying. We chopped our building in half. But essentially we started from the top down and just did it piece by piece. So each purlin came down one at a time. Each truss came down one at a time. Each girt came down one at a time. And then each post we knocked off at the new height one at a time. This is potentially a broken finger. I had a fight with the sledgehammer, and well, sledgehammer won. Man, who put those nails right there? Me, I did. Oh God, that actually really hurts. I spent it all. We do through YouTube so that when the client reaches out and says, hey, can you build a house? Heck yeah, I can build a house.
Do it.
Check out my YouTube.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Melon it. Now this is a rare specimen. This is the North American buzzer beater. As you can see, he's got these intense. We're swimming with the sharks now. Sink or swim. Go a little deeper.
So you get the bag, you drop it in there flat, and then you grab both sides. So by the time it comes out at the end, it's fully mixed, ready to go. So we have got, how many holes we got? 3, 6, 8 holes. We got 8 holes we're gonna fill today. I went out and bought 94 bags of concrete. And I wish this was my mud mixer, but it's not. I rented it. So first thing today, we're just gonna get these holes filled. So we'll let this concrete set up. These things will be cured enough that we can start working on them. And then we'll get our brackets in place, get our new post up, get the new walls built, get the sheathing on it. But I think we're gonna start rocking and rolling some trusses today on this side of the building. Never give Kean a rope. Moral of the story here.
Diamonds on the chain with the V cut.
So we're gonna start on this side. We're not all the way up in the air, so that's nice.
Yippee.
So you guys are gonna stay on the ground, guided into position. We have to go extremely slow by the house to keep it away.
So we're not going into the.
No, we're doing this one from the outside because the end truss connects on the outside, not on the inside. But now that we have this extension, we'll work on it next week. So we should be able to get this extension where we took the top half off and moving it over here. We should be able to get that up by the end of next week and get this thing sheathed and sheathing all the way around and fully closed in.